So we've got all the bubbles all over the window. We dry our blade and then we come straight down. All the dirt is just being sucked onto the fabric.
It's incredible. Look at that. Wow.
Improved Ultra Glove using the Viva fibres. Go in a circle and you'll see all that's been loosened. We flip it over and it's all been sucked off and we dry. We have a totally clean surface. Come up crystal shiny clean. And guess what? Afterwards you won't get any finger marks because there's no residue of any detergent or cleaning agent. Voila. It's a nanofibre. What actually happens, there's some little prickles which are actually cleaners. And then on the other fibre, it's actually the nanofibre which absorbs the dirt into the fabric. So we have a scrubbing brush and an absorber all in one. And it's actually a very easy, light little cloth to manage.